Okay, this is what she's doing, boys. Sofia misses her boys. It's just mommy home. And she keeps chirping for Hunter and Jamie. Really loud. They're not here, honey. They're not here, honey. They'll be here in a day, okay? No, you can't go up there. No, you can't go up there. Birdies can't go play with TVs. What? Are you telling me how it is? Are you telling me how it is? Can you say pretty bird? Baby bird. Baby bird. We're working on it. She said it a couple times. Sofia, and then she starts dancing too. That's kind of fun. Are you dancing? Yeah. You can't go play with my TV though. No, you can't go play with my TV. Sofia, say baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. Oh, you hear Jay, don't you? She doesn't care. She wants to go play with Jay. Baby bird? Baby bird? Sofia, can you say baby bird? Baby bird. I probably say baby bird like 50 times a day. Oh, my dusting. I need some dusting on those cabinets. Oh yeah, you like to push the buttons. Don't bite my phone. Well, I know. No, sweetheart, you can't go in there. Okay, say hi to Jamie and Hunter. Hi. Where are you? Are you leaving me with Mom? You say, I love you. Bye, baby bird. Bye, baby bird. Oh, yeah, I can keep up with you.